I'm Sarah, and every day my life revolves around design. This is my journal of what's happening right now in my world as a creator, an entrepreneur, a partner, and a mom. And I'm sharing it with you. So let's go. Today is another chapter in my design life. To get this cottage reno done, Alex and the team have been working flat out 7 days a week. And to do that, they've had to live on the island in the middle of all the construction.
Here we are in Bugland.
Now, I don't find the island as livable right now as they do, and I've got some other things to do. Not that. We're updating the color scheme, and to do that, I sourced a lot of new fabrics. But before I place my order, I just want to run through them one more time and make sure I got it right. So we are doing our Nick chair.
Yeah.
That's the dining chairs. The backs are being done in this nice fabric.
Love.
The seats are being done in white leather,
Okay.
which I worried about it, that you would say it was like a figure skate. I could not find any color that actually matched the background.
I don't think so. I mean, I don't think in the context, like this isn't a year-round residence that people are using and really giving it a hard time for 12 months of the year. So white leather, though kind of unforgiving in like a breakfast room in your everyday house, could be fine here.
Well, I kind of disagree, because I put this same white leather on the window bench at the farm, and it is ridiculously durable. Admittedly, all the chairs around the table could use a reupholstery.
Yeah.
And this looks brand new.
Okay.
You can get chocolate on it, maple syrup.
Okay.
Like, it's where I stick all the kids for a dinner party, and it's perfect. Okay, so now, moving on from that, this is
Surprisingly durable. I love this.
chairs.
I really love this.
I know. There's gonna be 3 stools sitting at the counter.
Yeah.
So I used to have those mismatched, vintage, little cute wood stools.
Yeah, love
I think it
those.
needs to be more comfortable.
Sure.
So I'm doing 3 of our upholstered bar stools.
I feel like when we originally did those antique wooden stools, we didn't realize how often people are sitting at that bar.
Well, it's where you wanna sit if you're on your laptop. It's where you sit if you're chatting while somebody's making something.
Yeah.
And also, when we were doing that, let's be honest, I was 8 months pregnant, we were in a hurry, and also doing another TV series at the same time.
Yeah.
So we were just kind of,
Oh, it's not just a place where you get your, it's not just a juice bar. It's crafts, it's homework, it's, you know, like chit chats, it's everything.
It's everything.
Sandwich building, like it's all the things.
sandwich building is an important activity. Okay, so here's my question. We could go again with the white,
Okay.
keeping in mind that it's sitting against our great paneling.
Yeah.
So what I was wondering is, would it be crazy to do a colored leather?
Well, this is gonna contrast against the paneling, whereas this will be a little more blendy.
Does it look like a Smurf, is my question.
No, I think it's fun. Like it's a good blue, like it still feels lakey to me.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I do
Do
like
you
it.
lakey it?
I think I like it.
Do you likey
I
lakey it?
like it a lot.
If you were choosing, which one would you do?
I feel like I would do this. I feel like this feels more rustic and that feels a little more formal
Okay,
for a bar stool.
I like it. I just wanted to make sure it didn't
What
look
is
like
the
Papa
shape that you're
Smurf.
doing? Like what kind of a stool is it?
One of ours.
Which one though?
The,
Cool.
no, the Jake.
Oh, nice. Yeah, the
Yeah.
Jake is a good, workhorse.
Because then when you look through, just if you want to know, this is what's happening in the living room. The sofa and 2 chaises, new chaises, are all being done in a washed
Nice.
version of this linen.
Yeah.
And then these are some fabrics to
Nice.
go with it.
Very denim-y, indigo-y, lovely. Nice.
Do you like those?
Yeah, I do.
I'm crazy about this fabric.
Is there like
For being on the water.
tie-dyed denim?
Yeah, just kind of a bit more inky blue, as opposed to, I feel like originally it was more cobalt.
Yeah.
It was more of more fresh blues, and this is just a little bit, I find these to be a little bit richer.
Well, the darker tones, to me, read more Great Lakes
Yeah.
than the more turquoisey tones, which to me can err on the side of like Caribbean, right?
Right.
So
Do you wanna
I
see
like
what's-
this.
Do you want to see what's happening in your cabin?
Yes.
Okay, so here's what's happening in
the
your
bunkie?
cabin. You're getting a cream linen channel headboard,
Nice.
and then these are the accent fabrics.
Love this.
Going
This
in
feels
there.
kind of preppy.
So these are Fiona's. This is her
She's
headboard.
getting the brighter, more turquoisey, girly looking stuff.
Right? Well, yeah, but this is Jeffrey Allen Marks, and this is called water polo, and it's based on water polo nets.
Is it?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Isn't that fun?
Yeah. I was going to say it reminds me a little bit of the pool patterns.
Yes.
In
David Hockney?
Yes, in Hockney paintings.
Right?
Yeah.
Isn't that fun?
Drew a blank
And then
on that.
ripple drop, and then this.
Adorable.
And a chair in this indoor-outdoor fabric.
She's going to love this. Has she seen this yet?
Yes, she's seen it. She chose it. And then this is Robin's. Roman blinds.
Cute.
And this kind of nice, little bit more grown up. Look at this.
Oh, I love that.
And then this is what's happening in the principal bedroom as a headboard.
Love it. It's all blue all the time, but it's all these different kinds of blue.
Well,
like this is
what other color
smoky.
should it be?
This is smoky and stormy.
Yeah.
This is bright and kind of like kid-like blue.
Yeah.
This is like not blue, but still stormy. I love.
Gray, soft gray with pale gray bedside tables.
And then this feels like really lake, deep water. You know, that's like deep water, shallow water.
And then this is the porch.
Smoky, rainy. Nice.
And then this is the porch.
This is more sort of like a navy.
This is a new fabric
I love
done by Nate Burgess that is from the Cravat Archives.
That looks so contemporary. How old could it be, I wonder?
I don't know.
Archivally.
Archivally
Speaking.
Archivally. And then a little Ralph. All our friends are playing together. We got some Nate, we got some Ralph, we got some Kate Spade. Okay, thanks.
This looks good.
Better go buy it because it's supposed to be delivered.
When am I coming up to visit?
What are you doing week after next? First week in July, what you doing?
First week in July, I'm gonna be in Ireland. The Emerald Isle.
Don't
I know it
torment
seems
me
to
with
you
your
like I'm
photos
always
again.
in Ireland because last year when you were shooting.
I've always wanted to go to Ireland and you're going for the third time.
Well, last summer when you were shooting off the grid, I went to Ireland and came back to an Irish-inspired powder room.
I know.
So what will I come back from Ireland to this time?
I'm not painting the whole thing, but I have painted most of the cottage white. Did I tell you that?
I love that.
Do you want to see?
The white in the summer is so,
Blow your mind.
like, it's mood enhancing. That's nice.
Can you believe that?
Yeah. So what's happening with the bedroom distribution? Because it used to be girls shared upstairs across from you, then it was 2 guest rooms downstairs. So what's happening now?
So Fiona moved out.
She moved out. Okay. Was there
Well,
was there an incident?
No, I don't remember like a big incident, but they definitely have different sleep patterns, and they were starting to sort of,
That's not good.
you know, that was. Anyway, I said to Fiona one day, maybe you want to try a different bedroom. Would you like to try a different bedroom? Because Robin was like, this was my bedroom first.
Yes.
I am the oldest, and I am not moving out.
The eldest always
like-
pulls rank. I used to do that with Christy all the time. I would just say like, I'm sorry, but if we're moving, I get to pick my bedroom first.
Right?
Yeah.
So she tried downstairs and she really likes it. So she has the east guest room downstairs, the one that used to have the flowery duvet cover and had some pinks and yellows and stuff.
So this is what always happens. The person who picks first
Yes.
ends up regretting their decision because the person who picks second gets to be further away from everyone.
That's true. She has a floor all to
And
herself.
Fiona is a
And
person
she has her own bathroom
who-
basically right next door.
Fiona likes her privacy.
Yeah. So it's good.
I would have done the Fiona thing and been like, okay, so which bedroom is further away from mom and dad? Because that's where I would want to be. Because I don't like people knowing my business. I don't want people to know what I'm up to.
Well, she is on the main floor, so everybody kind of knows her business. It's not super secretive.
Yeah, but early morning and late night.
There aren't a lot of
Early morning and late night.
secrets.
She's further away from the rest of the fam jam than anyone.
Right? Look, this is when they used to share.
And now they're not so much with the sharesies.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate your help. I feel so much better. I just felt that like maybe I was gonna end up with like, I was afraid you'd walk in and be like, what have you done?
No, I love all of this. I think it's all great. I like the idea that the whole house is blue, but it's all different kinds of blues.
Well, yeah, I mean, originally I threw some red in there, but that was a mistake. Originally when I did this room, we had a lot of red accents, and
Where did those come from?
I put in red accents because your favorite color is red.
Correct. I don't see a lot of red in any of these.
Well, I mean, the days of having to kowtow to Alexander's deep love of red are over. I think the marriage is established well enough now that you can just veto the
Move
red.
along.
Yeah.
He's like, what about red?
That was
Like,
back when we were still trying to give
know.
him some, like, you know,
Right?
throw him a bone.
Right?
Now it's just like, no, the red is done.
Next.
The houseplants are all dead and the red has been eliminated from the house.